morning, students. In last class we saw that in a sexual reproduction. So apart from that in a seed, any other part on which it is developed means new plant developments, that is we called a asexual reproduction. Among that, first one is a vegetative propagation. Any one of the root, stem, leaf. Likewise, we are keep that in a ground and it start to grow means, that is we called a vegetative propagation. For example, sugar cane, we keep the stem means it is start to grow. So stem, potato, it is also one of the stem, so we plant means start to grow. Yam also it is happening likewise. Okay, so the eye spot it's present means from that onwards start to grow. This is a vegetative propagation. Next one is a budding. Budding means that is it is a yeast. Okay ma, yeast for fermentation purpose we are using that in a yeast. It is one of the fungal. So in this structure it's a very simple, இது ஒரு பூஞ்சை சொல்லுவோம், fungal it is. So fermentation purpose in a bakery we are using that. in a புளிக்க வைக்கிறதுக்கான bakeryல யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க இதை. So what happen means, it is produced that in a small emerge bud. So it is in an unequal manner, it is divide. So in this division it is getting enlarged after it is produced that in a new yeast it is. So this process we called as so it is detached from the parent onwards, it is produce a parent cell onwards new yeast is developed. That process starting it is produce a budding. So this stage we called a budding. The next one is a fragmentation. Fragmentation, it is occur in a Spirogera. It is one of the algae. Okay, filamentous algae. Filamentous algae means it is a long thread-like cell arrangement. Okay, so if it is break down that in a pieces means, this breakdown part it is produce a new plant. Okay, Spirogera, that is this small piece of part we called as a fragment. So this process of development of a new Spirogera algae means you know that that is a பாசம் சொல்லுவோம்ல, பாசி மழை பெஞ்சா இருக்கும்ல, so that only it is in a algae, green color. Okay, Spirogera it is produced that. The next one is a spore formation. So spore formation means what it is a mushroom. So when is a water is present and the high temperature having means, it is an unfavorable condition, it is produce that in a spores and keep it that in a soil. Okay ma, during this condition non-flowering plants like algae, fungi, moss plants likewise it produce the spores. So spores it is in a black color spot seed like a structure having it is. So when it is in a favorable condition, it is returned, these spores it start to grow. Okay, so that is we called as a spore formation. So totally vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation and spore formation, all it is we called as an asexual reproduction.